Hi, my name's Dustin Sanchez. I am the lawyer search engine optimization expert. I'm also a licensed attorney. You can see my license to practice sitting right behind me on the wall there. Don't get a lot of use out of that, but it's nice to be able to tell my clients that I'm also an attorney. Now, most of my new clients want to know, how does this whole SEO thing work? How do you go about putting my website on the first page of Google? Because frankly, most of you believe it's all just some kind of smoke and mirror show, and you don't know that there's actually a scientific and repeatable method to doing this. So I'm just going to try to make it clear in layman's terms, very low level here so anyone can understand. But the basic idea is just to convince Google that you are a popular website within your little niche. For instance, if you practice bankruptcy law in Miami, I have to convince Google that you are one of the best or most popular Miami bankruptcy attorneys on the internet. And once I do that, anytime someone goes to the Google search engine and they type in Miami bankruptcy attorney, or where can I get a bankruptcy lawyer in Miami, or anything relating to Miami bankruptcy and attorney, Google's going to return your website on the first page of the search results, and you are going to get the phone call from somebody asking you to be their lawyer. It just means more money for your website. So the first thing we have to do is create you a website that has on-page search engine optimization. And what on-page search engine optimization is basically the content on the actual page of your website. Google can read that and they can see what your website is about, and that's our main goal here with on-page SEO, is just to tell Google what in the world your website is actually about. Now, just below the actual content that the reader can see, we have something called metadata, meta titles, meta descriptions. Now, some readers who know what they're looking for can see this metadata, but mainly it's data that is visible only to the search engines, and it helps Google figure out what your website is about, and it's a large part of on-page SEO. And I have to go inside the workings of your website and arrange your metadata so that Google knows what search terms you are targeting. Okay, now that we've told Google what your website is about, we have to convince Google that your website is extremely popular in that particular niche. That way they'll return you on the first page of the search results and not somewhere like the 8th page of the search results, because honestly, nobody goes past page number 1. If they're clicking to page number 2, Google's doing something wrong. So what we're going to do is get popular websites, both just generally popular and popular websites within your particular legal niche, to link back to your website. For instance, some major player in the online legal field writes a blog article. We want that major player to link to your website in the article. For instance, if he's writing a blog article about, bankruptcy lawyers in Miami? If not, that's what we're now talking about. If he writes an article about bankruptcy lawyers in Miami, we want him to say, and go check out Jennifer, the Miami bankruptcy lawyer, and link to your website with that text. Links like that are going to get Google paying attention to your website, and they're going to kind of identify you as a popular website in your niche. Now, we can't just do it with backlinks. You're also going to need social signals. You need people talking about you on Twitter, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, on Google Plus is one of the most important ones. All of these social media websites have to kind of be talking about your website, because that's just the natural way that any website that gets popular, that's their life cycle. Nothing happens on the internet that doesn't also get talked about on Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn and Instagram and all these social media websites. So we need on-page SEO, we need really popular backlinks, and we need social media signals all going to your website. And the most important part is we have to make it all look random, like it just randomly happened, and natural. And that's what an expert like I can do for you. And once that happens, you're going to find yourself on the first page of the Google search results. And most importantly, your phone is going to start to ring every month with new clients asking you to be their lawyer. That's what happens That is the power of search engine optimization. Now, if this is something you want to get started with, my number is at the bottom of the screen here, and you can call me and set up a 10-minute consultation, and we'll get started working for you right away. My name is Dustin Sanchez. I am the lawyer search engine optimization expert, and I look forward to hearing from you. Go visit the website, agnpro.com. As always, comment in the comment section. I will link to an article on this same topic below this video that you can go learn more, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have the time. Look forward to working with you soon. Dustin Sanchez, the lawyer search engine optimization expert. Later.